It's so personal, some of the lyrics, and even though some of them are not about me, people can easily think that they are, and that's one of the reasons why I never really say what they are about, because I think one thing is, of course, that I want people to make their own story to the songs, but it's important for me to just sort of, okay, so it's out there, but I still have to keep them a bit close to myself.
A lyric is not just a set meaning, it's an overall feeling, I think.
If I hear a song, I want to create my own little story to it. I don't want to know exactly what it is about. And sometimes, actually, when I've been listening to a song and then suddenly I read an article and then they actually say what the song is about, and I'm like, that's not what I thought. And it's just, it just doesn't, then suddenly it just, why did you say that? Why did I have to read that? Faces is just, I'm happy when, I was happy when I wrote it, and I'm happy when I think about it. Now I actually wish that I could tell you what it actually is about. But yeah, it's a bit of a, I was happy when I wrote that song.
Some way, join me tonight. Surround me with your happy faces. Share some fun stories, stay up all night. Surround me with your friendly faces. Me when I'm not aware, then you'll see I cannot do without you. I'll be right there if you ask me to. If you're feeling sad, I'll stay with you. If you're scared, I'll hold your hand, like I know you do for me too. Like I know you do for me too. Pour me some wine, join me tonight. Life is so good when I'm with you. I needed the laughs, I needed you tonight. Life is so good when I'm with you. So look at me when I'm not aware, then you'll see I cannot do without you. I'll be right there if you ask me to. If you're feeling sad, I'll stay with you. And if you're scared, I'll hold your hand, like I know you do for me too. I'll be right there if you ask me to. If you're feeling sad, I'll stay with you. And if you're scared, I'll hold your hand, like I know you do for me too. Like I know you do for me too. Like I know you do for me too.
In this room, I wrote 5 of the songs on the album, just sitting in here, just listening to the guys working downstairs, and just the whole inspiring environment. For some reason, I just managed to just, even though there were a lot of noise, people, you know, running up and down the stairs, and still, I just had this feeling that, wow, the songs sort of just came to me.
You know, she wrote the songs, and then we kind of all developed it together, I guess, or like, you know, tried out different ideas. So I guess we were, you know, involved in some of the creative process and like arrangement for bass and drums and guitars and stuff like that.
It's her record, her songs, and she has to be in control. I think it shows a lot of, you know, the strength of character. That she's able to tell 3, you know, older guys exactly what she wants. You know, I think it's definitely positive.
Cannot turn back time. I wish yet to come true. The same thing, I think. They're making up these stories. No, and that one.
Sorry.
You Weren't There. I enjoy that song a lot. It's actually, it has a bit of energy and it's fun playing it.
She came home just one day. Long time struggle, she fulfilled her dream. All she wanted was to make you proud. You weren't there. He had his birthday a few days ago. He got some presents, a big party too. And there were congratulation calls as the years before. Not ever one from you. You weren't there, distant, far away. It's like this every day. I see you in their head. Wonder if you come, afraid to close their eyes. I miss you once again. She cut herself on a piece of paper. It didn't hurt, but she saw the blood. She could need that embrace. You were there. Did he have to cry louder? Would that make you hear him? You see, his heart was broken for the first time.